Guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about the essential things you should pack to school as a student, as a fresher. What are the things you should come to school with, the important things, so you won't pack all the whole house to school, to reduce your luggage, everything you'll be packing to school. I'll be giving you just the important things you need. Yeah, so if you're interested in this, then sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to be talking about, the first thing you should know when you're coming to school, I'm going to talk about the school items you'll be needing first. And for the school item, I mean is what are the things as a student you should have and you should come with. So the first is you should make sure that you come with your documents, like the document you'll be using to register yourself the first year you are coming to school, that you are resuming to school. Come with all the documents, and for that I made a video of the important documents that you'll be needing as a fresher for registration when you get to school. So check, I'm going to drop the link in the description box, or it's going to pop up somewhere here, but anyways, I'll drop the link in the description box. So aside from your document, make sure you come with your books. You'll be needing a books, and because you are now in university, it doesn't mean you have to get yourself a higher education note or something. Whatever type of notes, whatever type of note it is, come with it. And also your biro, your pencil, your calculator, scientific calculator. That is for those depending on your course, if you are a science student or an art student that is going for accounting or whatever, like depending on your course, on the course you're going, and you know you'll be needing a calculator, so make sure you come with a scientific calculator. And also an highlighter is not important. I mean, for those that like to mark out points when they are reading, when they are studying, you'll be needing an highlighter. And in replacement of highlighter, when I don't have an highlighter, I make use of red pen. So I guess that is a good idea. If you're writing with blue pen, then you can actually use your red pen to mark out the important points you want to. So what else? Your school bag, you'll be needing a school bag that you'll be taking to school, and a little water bottle that you can actually put water inside when you're going to school. Yeah, I think those are the things for school items. Oh, let me check. Yeah, those are the things for school items you'll be needing. Okay, wait guys, you'll be needing eraser, pencil, like I mentioned, if you are going to be drawing, or eraser is important. And also your folder where you'll be putting your files. And yes, you'll be needing stapler as well, but if you don't want to go through the process of running to the store to staple some of your documents, just get yourself a small stapler. And yeah, that is all for the school items. If I forget some, maybe along the line I'll remember and I'll mention it. So guys, the next thing is your clothing items, the clothes you should come to school with. Just the important clothes that you have. Not, you don't have to pack all your clothes. And as a student of University of ILORIN, make sure you are coming with skirt that is below your knee and top that is going to be covering your arm, not the armless type of top. You won't be allowed to wear that into the school. So I mean, that doesn't mean you shouldn't come with it. You can actually wear that one around in your hostel, but if you are going for classes, the tops that are, you know, covering your arms, and tops that, if you are going to be putting on trousers, then tops that are going to cover your bottom, you should put it. Remember, yes. So your clothes and your shoes, your slippers, your sandals, sneakers, anything. If you are the type that wear accessories, your earring as a lady, your necklace, your bangles, your wristwatch, and yeah, those are the things you'll be needing, the important things you'll be needing for your clothing item. So we're going to the next thing, but then I forgot to say that your underwears. You don't want to come to school without underwears, so remember, it is part of it. Come with your underwears. As a lady, you should come with it. Your bra, your pants. For the guys, your boxers, your singlets. Just make sure you come with enough of them for yourself. So yeah, the next thing we are going to be talking about is your kitchen items. Yes. Okay, for the kitchen, all you just need is your gas cylinder. If for those that are staying off campus or in private hostels, you'll be needing a gas cylinder. But for those staying in school hostels, they don't use gas cylinders. They make use of stove. They don't allow that, so it is only stove you can use. So your gas cylinder, stove, your plate, your cup, your spoon, your knife, your bowls that you've been needing. And then you can come with you can get yourself just a small drum that you can store water in case there's no water that you use, pending when water will come back. And your kettle, you can get yourself electric kettle. If you are the type that you can get hot plates, or you like toast bread, so you can get yourself toast machine, and a blender as well. But I don't think those things blender is important because I have blender as well. So, and then this plate rack, you need that as well, plate rack. Those are the things you'll be needing for the kitchen items. Don't forget, you'll be needing your soap as well. You don't want to leave your plate dirty, so soap is also important. And yes, that will be leading us to food items. Come with your food, because things in school are expensive, so I think it's best you buy your things from home in bulk, where it will be lesser and cheaper. So you can come with your food items, your rice, your beans. You all know what you'll be needing, your spag as a student. You don't have to bring the entire food stuff at home. Your rice, your beans, in fact, beans you can just buy it here, but anyhow you want it. And if you are the type that likes cereals like me, you can buy it, custard, golden more, your milk, your Milo, and all of that. So that is going to be all for the kitchen and food stuff, food items. So guys, the next thing on the list is what you'll be needing for the room, like the room items, the things you'll be needing. And you are just coming here as a fresher, so make sure to come with your curtain. Yes, your curtain. And I don't know, if you want to use the rod one, then you get yourself a rod that used to hang your curtain, or the elastic this thing they used to hang the curtain. So your curtain, your bed, your pillowcase, duvet for cold, during cold period, you'll be needing that as well. And also, is there another thing? Okay, yes, since it's part of the room, you'll be needing the extension box where you'll be charging your phone. And you should also come with your charger, your phone charger, your laptop charger. And I would also advise, if you can get yourself a small trolley. I guess I'll be dropping a picture of that, so you can actually keep your other personal items that you can keep with it. And yes, if your room doesn't have a wardrobe, then you can get yourself a shoe rack. Just small shoe rack, so your shoes won't be all over the place in the room. So you can get yourself a shoe rack. And for the laundry part, you'll be needing a laundry basket and your soap, your detergent, your hanger, iron that you're using to press your clothes, and also your buckets, your bowl. Of course, you have to need all of that to wash your clothes, and also peg to clip your clothes. And those are the things for the room. I didn't even mention towel. I think that should be part, but towel. Okay, I think that should lead us to the next thing for bedroom items. So you'll be needing for your bedroom, yes, your towel, you need it, your bathing soap, your sponge, your antiseptic for those that use Dettol, other types. And those are your slippers. Biko, you need that thing. You need slippers inside your bathroom. And this foot mat, yes, foot mat can also be the entrance of your bathroom. You need it as well, and you could actually get 2 of that for the entrance of your bedroom, and then to welcome your visitor that will be entering your room. So yes, that is it. And the next in our item is the cleaning items. You need your broom to sweep your room. and you need your mopping stick to mop, and also your trash bag, or yeah, your trash bag, and also you could get yourself a small trash basket as well. And yes, next one we're going to be talking about personal hygiene, what you personally need for your hygiene, like your perfume, deodorant, and wipes, tissue. For the ladies, if you are that you like to, you do skincare, you have your skincare routine, come with those your product for your skin. And for those that love to, they have hair care routine for themselves, so get your hair care products, your shampoo, your conditioner, every single thing. And for the makeup gangs, you have to come with your wipes as well as your makeup kit as well. And yes, I think that is it. That is it. Okay, wait. I have not mentioned this thing. You have to also come with shaving stick if you use shaving stick to shave out the hairs, or the cream, or the powder, whichever one you use, come with it. Yeah, I'm going to be talking about random things. These ones, they are just random, it's not necessary you come with them. And the first one is umbrella. During rainy season, you will actually need it, and there are some salt that can burn your skin. Maybe you can also use it for that. I mean, you can actually come with umbrella as well. And also you could actually come with sewing kits. There are some little patches you might want to do on your clothes that you don't necessarily have to take it to the tailor to do that. You can just do it yourself. So just a thread and a needle, and also scissors as well, you need that. And yeah, I don't know if I mentioned sweater for clothing items. You need a sweater, guys. If you are coming to ILORIN and come with sweater, you are on your own. So don't say don't say at least no one you come with sweater. If I have not mentioned that, or maybe I mentioned that, then I'm saying it again. So come with your sweater, and you can also get yourself a padlock, and also mosquito net. If you don't like to use mosquito net, then you can get a mosquito fleet. Yes. And then the final thing I'll be talking about is medication. If you are on medication, maybe you have a particular, maybe an ulcer patient or asthmatic patient, come with your drugs, come with your inhaler. Do not forget them. Make sure you come with them. Look at me now. I'm here. I'm here with my glasses. I don't want a situation where I go to classes and I'm like, Miriam, I cannot see you. What did they write on the board? I am here with my glasses, so come with your glasses as well. Oh wait, I don't know. Did I mention that you should bring cup for the kitchen items? If I did not, then you should come with a cup as well. Your cup, not just a cup. You can come with like 2 or 3. Whatever amount you think is okay for you. And if I've mentioned it before, then this is just a reminder. Okay guys, so yeah, that is going to be all. Okay, first aid, I forgot to mention that you can just get yourself just a spirit and a cotton wool, and also paracetamol for headache. That one, you cannot escape that one. So yeah, this is going to be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find it helpful. And if you do, give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, and support this baby girl. Support me, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye guys.